Hello YouTube, in this video I am going to review BlissPop ROM for OnePlus One. If you go to the settings menu, about phone, you can find I am running on BlissPop version 2.2 which is based on the Android version 5.0.2. So first of all, if you look at the basic phone options like dialer, this is the dialer, this is the Lollipop dialer. You can type all the contacts here. And then here is the Lollipop messaging app with all the settings. And then web browser. So this is the Lollipop web browser, stock web browser. It says that if you look at the notification area, if I'm swiping from here, I'll get all the notification here. And here is a quick pull down option. So if I'm pulling down from the right side, it will, all the settings will come like this. And then here Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, data, airplane mode, auto rotate, flashlight, and GPS option, and then cache screen. So every option is working fine. And then if you click on the battery option, you'll get this battery mode. You can change the battery mode to power save, balanced, and performance. And you can also change the warning color, the LED, so that you can see all the battery options. From here you can set the battery saver threshold, so you can decide at what percentage of battery your phone need to change to battery saving mode. It says that if you pull down the settings menu again, by tapping here you can directly go to the alarm clock and then stopwatch options. Next, if you click on this guest option, user option, you can add the guest, and this option is working fine. Next, let's discuss the features in settings. Here you can search for the settings, which is very nice. It says that you have all the regular settings like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile network, data usage, and then if you click on more, you can set the default SMS app, NFC. These are the regular settings. Besides that, there is a Bliss exclusive settings here you can find. So here, Bliss interface. In Bliss interface, you can get the status bar. You can customize all the aspects of the status bar like clock and date. If you want to enable, you can enable or disable. You can see the effects there. And then battery status. If you want icon portrait or icon landscape with percentage inside and all, you can change everything. And then the battery bar location, like you can see a battery bar on top of the screen, so you can set that. And then you can also check mobile and Wi-Fi network, so you can see the little icons there when downloading and uploading. Then status bar header, if you need, you can add that. And then notification system icons, you can customize all those options. And then network traffic, if you want to see the network traffic, you can set that. And breathing SMS will give your SMS notification a breathing effect. Breathing is called breathing voicemail. Brightness control, if you want to adjust the brightness using the status bar, you can do that. Just like sliding here and there, you can control the brightness of the screen. Okay, then show Bluetooth icon, super user indicator, status bar carrier. You can see the carrier information, status bar, Bliss logo, you can see that. If you want to give any greeting option, you can do that as well. So that is about the status bar customization. And then navigation options. In navigation options, you can see the navigation ring, button, navigation options here, hardware keys, or I need software keys, you can do that as well. Or flow button, if I need navigation bar, I can do that from here. I can customize. Okay, this is the task manager. You can see recently opened windows. So you can customize all the aspects of the navigation bar from here. You can customize the home button, menu button, and the volume button actions. So that's about the navigation option. Next is a recent option. Here is all the recent option, and then show a search bar in the recents menu. So this is the recents menu. If I want the search bar in recents menu, I can take out that. And then here is the OmniSwitch. If I'm enabling that one, my recent menu will change to OmniSwitch. So if you want to see the OmniSwitch here there is an option to enable the OmniSwitch. So by sliding here, I'll get the OmniSwitch. So this is the OmniSwitch. This option you can replace as a recent menu. So by tapping this, you will close all the windows. By tapping this, you will close the other windows other than the one which is running on the foreground. And then by tapping this, you can switch to last one, and then menu option, settings, directly go to settings, and then all the apps you can find, then back and pin options are there. So this is about the OmniSwitch. It's a pretty neat update. So that's all about OmniSwitch. Then next is notification drawer. You can customize all the aspects of the notification drawer as well, like custom color, select, and tiles if you need to add. Advanced settings, slim actions, auto close panel brightness, quick pull down options from here, smart pull down as well. So next, smart control. It's like that call in dialer. So if you pick up your phone to near your ear, it will automatically call the person. Then heads up display. So notification will come as heads up display. It's good. Then a lot of lock screen options are there. Many lock screen options. You can customize all aspects of lock screen as well. And then power menu, you can customize if you want to add screenshot button. Click on that one, and then you can see the screenshot button here. So you can take a screenshot from there. Screen record, profile switcher, all the options you can add to the power menu. Then gesture anywhere. Using this option, you can now draw any gesture here to open any applications. You can add gesture for different applications here, and you can also specify the trigger width of the gesture option, which is good. And then here you can customize all the animations, system animations, and all. You can customize list view animation, and then app circle bar. So this is the app circle bar. Like you can open apps from here. You can also include the app, which app you should see on that thing. You can also specify the trigger spaces. So that's about the app circle bar. And then here is the Bliss download option. So you will get all the Bliss related apps and G apps, kernels, everything from here. So that's about that settings. And then here is the equalizer options. You can customize the equalizer for Bluetooth, USB, and other wireless devices. From here you can choose the themes. So by clicking get more, you can go to Play Store and download the themes. You can customize all the aspects. Then here is the sound options. Nothing much of that. If you click on the volume bar, you can see this is the sound option, like priority, none, everything is there. And next is display and lights. This is also like almost like nothing new to talk about. So notification manager, you can manage all the notification which comes from the apps and all. Next, lock screen, you can keep the lock screen. These are the gestures, screen of gestures you found in the OnePlus One. So it's also working in this ROM. Here's the battery, we already discussed that. Security options, users, profile, system profiles, and then apps, accounts, privacy, In privacy, you can find privacy guard, blacklist, and whisper push. Location, date, time, accessibility, storage, language and input. If you click on language input, you can see all the supported languages from here. I think it supports almost all the languages. Okay, so here backup and restore, and then here is the printing option. Super SU, because I wrote this ROM so you can find this Super SU. And then in performance, you better don't touch this performance option, and then here you can see the developer option as well. So it's all about the settings menu. If you check on the other aspects of this ROM, like inbuilt applications like calculator, calendar, clock, contacts, documents, and then downloads, email, file manager. This is a Cyanogen mode file manager. Gallery option, Google messaging, and this the music application comes with this ROM. And then open camera, because the stock camera won't work with this ROM, so this is the open camera. You can use any camera application from the Play Store and you can use that one. Phone, Play Store, settings, send record, SIM card. That's it. So this is all about this ROM. This is actually very fluid and very fast ROM. You have to check this or not. Besides that, a stock camera problem, no problem. This ROM, no bugs are there. You can try that one. Hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. If you want to know how to install this ROM, there is a link in the description to show you that. Just go and check it out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more.